Did you know that after the age of 50, your bones can start losing strength faster than your body can rebuild them? It's a silent process. You don't feel it, you don't see it, but one small fall or twist can suddenly reveal it. Your kitchen already holds the power to protect your bones, rebuild their strength, and keep you active for years to come. In this video, we'll explore the top foods that naturally support bone health, the nutrients behind them, and how to include them in your daily meals. And make sure you stay with me till the end, because the last food on this list is one most people completely overlook, yet it can make all the difference. Let's begin. As we age, our bones go through a lot of change. They may look solid, but they're actually living tissue, constantly breaking down and rebuilding. This balance starts to shift around midlife. For women, the drop in estrogen after menopause speeds up bone loss. For men, lower testosterone levels can have a similar effect. That's why diet matters more than ever after 50. Your bones aren't just made of calcium. They rely on a network of nutrients: calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, vitamin K, zinc, and healthy fats, all working together to keep them dense and flexible. So if you've been told that milk is the only path to strong bones, stay tuned. You're about to learn the real story. Food number 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collard greens, and broccoli are all rich in calcium that your body can absorb easily, often more easily than from dairy. They're also packed with vitamin K, which helps your body bind calcium into the bone structure, making it stronger and more resilient. Try tossing spinach into your morning smoothie or steaming kale as a side for lunch. Even one serving a day makes a difference. And here's an extra benefit. Leafy greens help neutralize acids from processed foods that can drain calcium from your bones. So when you eat greens, you're not just nourishing yourself, you're protecting your bones from the inside out. Food number 2. Seeds and nuts. Sesame seeds, almonds, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds may be small, but they're loaded with calcium, magnesium, and healthy fats, the nutrients your bones crave. Magnesium is especially important because it activates vitamin D, which helps your body use calcium more efficiently. A spoonful of tahini, made from sesame seeds, can be drizzled over roasted vegetables or used in dressings. You can also sprinkle chopped almonds or chia seeds over your breakfast bowl. These simple habits build up strong, stable bones over time. Food number 3. Beans and lentils. Beans are often forgotten when it comes to bone health, but they're a real powerhouse. They're rich in magnesium, potassium, fiber, and plant protein, all essential for maintaining bone mass. The iron in beans also supports collagen production, giving bones flexibility and strength. If you're sensitive to beans, soaking them overnight before cooking helps improve digestion. Add lentils to soup, black beans to salad, or chickpeas to your favorite stew. They make a satisfying meal and support your bones at the same time. Food number 4. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel aren't just good for your heart. They're excellent for your bones too. They contain vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation in bone tissue. Sardines are especially powerful because they contain both calcium and vitamin D, particularly when you eat them with their soft bones. Grilled or baked, they make an easy, nutrient-dense meal that strengthens both your bones and your joints. Food number 5. Whole grains and fortified foods. Oats, brown rice, and quinoa are more than just fiber sources. They provide magnesium and trace minerals that contribute to bone structure. And today, many plant milks, breakfast cereals, and orange juices are fortified with extra calcium and vitamin D. Just remember to check the label for added sugar or artificial ingredients. Look for simple, whole foods and pair them with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil to help your body absorb nutrients more effectively. Food number 6. Fruits that protect your bones. Certain fruits stand out when it comes to bone health. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits provide vitamin C, which helps your body build collagen, the framework that holds your bones together. Bananas and prunes, on the other hand, supply potassium, which helps neutralize acids that can weaken bones. In fact, research shows that eating a few prunes a day can actually slow down bone loss in postmenopausal women. So when you want something sweet, go for fruit instead of processed snacks. It's a simple way to protect your bones and your overall health. Food number 7. Tahini, the hidden gem. This one surprises many people. Tahini is a smooth paste made from ground sesame seeds. It's rich in calcium, zinc, and healthy fats that promote hormone balance and bone repair. Drizzle it over salads, roasted vegetables, or use it as a creamy base for dips and sauces. Just 1 tablespoon adds a powerful dose of bone-supporting nutrients. They're also rich in zinc and healthy fats that promote hormone balance and bone repair. Drizzle tahini over roasted veggies, or use it as a creamy base for dressings and dips. So here's the big takeaway. Milk isn't your only path to strong bones, and it might not even be your best one. From leafy greens to seeds and beans, the plant world offers calcium that's easier to absorb, easier to digest, and often packed with extra nutrients your body needs as it ages. Strong bones aren't built in a single day. They're built meal by meal, through consistent choices that feed your body with purpose. Start small. Add 1 bone-friendly food to your meals this week. Your body will respond quietly, steadily, and powerfully, because now you know better.